In the last few days, it seems like everyone is talking about the Nano Banana image generator. People are calling it the best AI photo editor in the world, but do you really know how to use it? So in this video, I'm going to show you 15 insane things you can do with Nano Banana. If you're interested, you're not going to want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the latest videos and news. Before we start, there are two things you need to know. First, what is Nano Banana? Just a few days ago, Logan Kilpatrick, the head of Google AI Studio, tweeted and officially announced to the world that mysterious model codenamed Nano Banana is their very own Gemini 2.5 flash image. So yeah, Google was definitely cooking something up in secret. Second, who can use Nano Banana? Not only is Google showing off, but they're also being incredibly generous. This game-changing model is available to use right now in Google AI Studio. And the best part? It's completely free. All those amazing effects that blew you away are now available in an official tool that anyone can use. You have two ways to use Nano Banana for free. You can log into Google AI Studio. In the top right corner, select Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, and you can start using it right away.
Wow.
Or you can log into Gemini. Select the 2.5 Flash model. Click on Tools and choose Create Images. For this video, I'll be doing the demo inside Gemini. Number 1. Virtual Try-On. It's time to say goodbye to the guesswork of online shopping. This tool is not only incredibly fun to use, but it's also a game changer for your online closet. We're starting with the basics to show you just how powerful this is. Simply upload a photo of yourself and a picture of any outfit you're interested in. With a single click and a simple prompt, bam! The AI perfectly preserves your image while seamlessly fitting the clothing to your body. And it's not just for simple outfits. Intricate designs, complex patterns, and even accessories are rendered with stunning accuracy. Every detail is accounted for, giving you a true-to-life preview of your new look. This technology is a massive leap forward, offering a more personalized and confident shopping experience. For e-commerce businesses, this means a significant reduction in returns and lower costs for model photo shoots, ultimately leading to a more sustainable and efficient way to shop. Number 2, product lifestyle shots. It can seamlessly merge any two or even more unrelated images into one perfect picture. This feature is like the commercial version of character consistency and multi-image fusion. The AI handles all the tricky stuff like lighting, reflections, and ambient color, making the result look even more natural than a lot of professionally retouched photos. Of course, we can also try something more complex. For example, this image combines fashion, a car, and more. The result is absolutely stunning. Number 3. Turn photos into figurines. This is the feature that made Nano Banana go viral in the first place. I'll use my own image again. Just type in the prompt. This prompt is a bit long, so I'll share it in our Discord. You can find the link in the video description below. Number 4. Add special effects. For example, upload a picture of a car. Type in a simple prompt. Set the car on fire. You can see the fire and smoke details look incredibly realistic and follow the laws of physics. Combine this with an AI video model, and you can generate all kinds of movie-level special effects. Number 5. Generate 3D isometric buildings. Let's take the first image and convert it into a 3D isometric model, using the second and third images as references. Enter a simple prompt. And just like that, our 3D isometric building is ready. Number 6. Annotate the real world. For instance, we can upload a picture and then type, "You are a location-based AR experience generator. Highlight point of interest in this image and annotate relevant information about it." Here, I'll change point of interest to Ping An International Financial Center. And there you have it. Our annotated image is complete. Number 7. Map visualization. Nano Banana can even turn a map into a realistic view. For example, I'll upload this screenshot of a Google map and type the prompt, "Real view of the Eiffel Tower in Paris in the direction of the red arrow." The model generates the view from that exact spot, looking in the direction of the arrow, just as if you were standing there. Number 8. Restore and colorize damaged photos. This feature will probably be the most useful for many of you. You can use it for personal photos or even turn it into a business. For example, I'll upload a random old photo and type, "Repair this photo to a lossless state and change it to high definition." And just like that, the photo is restored. You can even use an AI video model to bring the photo to life. Number 9. Visual reasoning. Nano Banana can understand logical information in our prompts, which is a huge step up from previous image generation models. For example, it gets what a burnt pizza looks like, and can even understand what a pizza would look like after being in the oven for 2 hours. Number 10. Change the photo's perspective. Now you can directly change the perspective of a photo with Nano Banana. For instance, upload a photo and type, "Change the perspective to a drone high-altitude aerial view." The overall recreation is incredibly accurate. Number 11. Generate storyboards. Now, all you have to do is upload portraits of your main characters, type in a simple prompt, and Nano Banana can generate multiple frames for a movie scene. It can handle any style you throw at it, just like this. Number 12. Action simulation. What's even crazier is that Nano Banana can recognize hand-drawn sketches and generate complex fight scenes or poses based on them. The AI can integrate these elements and even add rich backgrounds and special effects. For example, upload 2 images you generated earlier and then upload a pose reference. Type in the prompt, "Have these 2 characters fight using the pose from Figure 3. Add appropriate visuals." Looks awesome, right? Quick tip, it's best to upload full-body photos for more accurate results. Number 13. 3D rendering. Good news for all the interior designers out there. You can upload an interior design sketch and generate 3D renderings in different styles, like this. Number 14. Change backgrounds. With a simple prompt, you can perfectly replace the background without altering the person in the image. Number 15. Image style fusion. Let's say you have a boring photo and want to make it more interesting, or turn your life into a video game. This prompt is a lot of fun. See? The image is so much more exciting now. So now, let's break down the pros and cons of Nano Banana. The good stuff. Realistic photo editing. Whether you're changing backgrounds, expressions, or adding objects, the main subject's face and key features stay incredibly consistent, no matter how much you alter the pose, lighting, or background. This is a massive problem solver for creating series, virtual influencers, or product shots. Consistency is key. This is its superpower. Characters and objects remain consistent across multiple edits. Commercial powerhouse. For e-commerce, advertising, and other commercial fields, this is an absolute productivity machine. Super fast. The response time for editing commands is incredibly quick. I personally feel it's more than 5 times faster than 400. The smooth experience is fantastic. It gets you. It understands complex instructions and executes them in one go. It's incredibly smart and has a great grasp of physics and lighting. The not-so-good stuff. Non-realistic styles. When it comes to artistic styles like pixel art, cartoon rendering, or watercolor, the results are just okay. Controlling multiple images. When you input multiple images to merge or edit, the results can be a bit hit or miss. Sometimes it looks like a rough copy-paste job. You can try using the prompt I mentioned earlier to get better results. Doesn't always listen. Occasionally, it goes off script and ignores parts of the prompt, making its own little tweaks. Of course, there are so many more ways to use this tool. Think of this as a starting point to get your own creative ideas flowing. AI image generation is moving at lightning speed. It's a battle of the titans right now, and these AI tools are getting better and better every day. I hope this video was helpful or sparked some new ideas. I'd really appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want other video tutorials, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Good luck.